Hi guys, welcome back to the Studentship YouTube channel. Today I'm here live at the University of Nigeria. I'll be going around asking students, information about their course of study. I can assure you that you are going to find this video helpful. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. So, religion and cultural study, what was the course all about, as a department in the university?
Okay. Initially, when I was coming, I thought it's something related to CRK and all of it all.
Yeah.
And most people that doesn't know about the course, they also have that misconception about religion. But coming to the department, because my initial intention was to come and go.
Okay.
I just want to come after a year and I would change the department. But as time goes on, I fell in love with the department, even though I wasn't serious at the initial time, but coming to realize some kind of stuff. Okay, the department is all about the diversity of religion in the world. As we are all religious, we have, even if we are not going to church, we have a part of us that have a cravings for God. So, and religion all affect every aspect of our life. So now the department now are trying to figure out how and why, or especially in Nigeria, how we can live together in a country that has different religion. So it's more than just studying the Bible.
Okay.
Most pastors have different conception of what the Bible is, without knowing that this Bible was is not for us. It's for a particular people. So they try to understand what the kind of lifestyle that they were living then. So we cannot just say that this thing the Bible said, we'll now bring it to ourselves. We try to understand what is happening in that people, the author looked like, what was he trying to pass. So we try to understand the kind of life that was. So it's more deep, and it's not just hierarchy. You study about Muslim religion, Judaism, Taoism, other religions. So we try to relate everything, and even African religion, because we have religion, but we've lost it. We are losing it. So we try to understand how it happened that some people now we are trying to mix religion together. So it's broad. It's broad.
So you mentioned that you actually just wanted to get into the department and change the course. So that is why you applied. Why did you decide to apply? Let's get the story of how you got into the department.
How I got to the department.
Yes.
Initially, I wanted co-science. And it took me 2-3 years to get admission, so I was battling it up. So I knew religion would be an easy pass to the university. So my initial intention was to come in and change as a course of time. Though I tried, but I'm not regretting it.
I'm not regretting it because you've now gotten a good understanding of.
Even though people still think religion is all about
Bible,
so I've enjoyed every bit of it. Every bit of it, I enjoyed it.
So how would you describe the typical day activities of the students in your department?
In my department, like any other department, it has been workloaded. Seriously, it has been workloaded, and it's more like a history. So you tend to read a lot. There are a lot of things because one thing about religion, I'm going to base my talk now in Christianity. The Bible, there are a lot of documents at the background of the Bible that you have to understand them before you get that real information in the Bible. So like the Bible now, there's what they call canonization. Now this canon now is the Bible we're using. There are a lot of documents that were not included in this Bible. So, and those documents will now give you insight. So the department now, especially for Christianity, we try to get some information, added information. So it's more like history. So the day-to-day activities there is more like it's kind of cumbersome, let me just say. So you come to a lecture today, lecturer will talk, and you see that you just need to have to get this textbook before you understand a lot of things about it. So it's wonderful though. It's wonderful.
That is awesome. So the department, does it really give you guys the opportunity to engage in extracurricular activities?
A lot. I was talking to one of my lecturers last time, and I told him something that this thing now, somebody's stressed and I don't have money to do this. He said, come, this department, there's no lazy person in this department.
So
to tell you that a lot of people in the department are doing a lot of things, and though it's not easy, but it's
time
and both extracurricular activities. Like last time we played the novelty match with our lecturers.
Wow, that's
so
awesome.
And I think I've forgotten the date. We have a picnic and at the waterfall. So there's
nice.
also extracurricular activities.
Wow.
It's wonderful. It's wonderful.
So how would you describe, because talking about how lucrative it is, what are the opportunities after graduation?
Yes, that's another aspect I was expecting you, because most people say, where would a religious student fit in?
Your church,
Those
are misconceptions.
Not at all. Not at all.
Yes.
Religion. If you look at the environment we are, it looks as if there is no hope or something of that nature, but notwithstanding, once you know what you are actually doing in the department, you get to fit in the environment. You can work as a lecturer, you can be a writer. There's a lot of things about religion that is everybody are blindfolded. You can review secrets. So being a writer is a very wonderful aspect of this particular religion, because of we human beings, we are always ask this question till we die. What's the essence of life? So you get to unveil some lot of secrets. So
you are exposed intensely.
So you just come to the church today, somebody say drink this dito and do this and do this. Hello, that's not so. You get to you can work any other places. I was reading something about it, because of I also asked that question as a course of time when I was starting it. So what will I fit in? But there are some positions like a counselor. Actually, a counselor. You can work as even a therapist. There are some people that bring religious matter to pastors because they feel they have their expertise. But no, I don't think they are. You see a lot of pastors that are misleading people because of they don't understand what
knowledge.
Yes, but as a religionist, you have
trained.
Yes. So you are a professional in this field.
Yes.
So you can offer religious advice more than this
professional religious advice.
And you are not you are flexible because of about the Islamic religion, about the Christianity,
traditional.
Traditional.
There's a way you can just put it together.
So no matter anybody that is coming with his problem, you can relate. You can actually relate.
That's nice. Thank you very much.
God bless
you.
So
as a final year student, has there been any challenges, time you first giving up, like any memorable experience?
Oh my God, it's actually personal, okay? Initially, I was very unserious. It's very unserious. It's personal, but it's kind of a testimony because it got to a time I was not serious with my life, both spiritually, and it affected my education. So I was actually looking out, and we're in an environment that everything it's kind of competitive. Like you just look around, you want to fit in with the environment, you want to do a lot of stuff, but thank God for God. So he picked me out from the deep, and by now I've sat up and I'm back in my gears.
Recovered fully.
So the financial aspect is actually very crazy. Oh my God, the financial aspect of schooling, so you have to be feeding, you have to be buying textbooks, and you have to keep up. You have to keep up with life and a lot of stuff. So it's been stressful, but we've been moving on.
So far, what advice would you give to a student that is aspiring to study
religion
at the university?
Seriously, I wish I can go back and turn the hand of time and start all over. It's been wonderful. It's wonderful, but the fact that you do not know what you are actually doing, you are taking. I took it I was last about it. So I said, what's this course all about? So if you can, as you're coming in, just take it serious, just get your goal. You understand a lot of things. Like you will not be lost in life. Yeah. It's nobody will come and be telling you unnecessary things. Like one thing about this life, we are living this life. We are all living this life with an unanswered question.
Okay.
But you are a person studying religion and knows what he's actually studying. It's as very close to the answer.
Wow.
Compared to any other, any other individual profession. I'm serious about it. You are very close because we are all crazy about who God is.
Yes.
And we are all crazy because we don't know where we are actually going to. But if you want to study religion, just be serious. Like, just get ready, get your gear on, and you would actually enjoy your stay here.
Thank you very much. So lastly, I just want to ask a random question. Because when you look at Nigeria, as a landscape, a human landscape, sometimes some people say religion has been one of our major problems, as a country.
Yeah.
So what can you say about that?
Religion as a major problem.
Has it benefited us or taking us back?
Religion, the problem about Nigeria is the fact that we are blindfolded. We are actually blindfolded. The fact that you are a Christian and I'm a Muslim it's not supposed to be any different.
Yes.
If you look at this Muslim and Christian, it's the two major religion in Nigeria. Yes. You see that this religion they were birthed from Judaism.
Yes.
So I don't think we are actually serving the same goal. We have different conception about who Jesus Christ is, but I don't think it should be a problem. Like it's actually a problem in Nigeria.
Yes.
Religion. We have a big problem about religion in Nigeria. It affected us both politically.
There's this tension.
Yes. But if I would advise, say we are just supposed to be rational in our thinking, especially for Christianity. In as much as I'm a Christian, I know that Christian we have a major problem. We have a problem with ourselves. The fact that in Christianity there are different denominations. Inside denomination there is like everybody. So we are not in oneness. And it's actually affecting us. So the best thing to be is just to be rational, go with your conscience, and you see that we would actually enjoy ourselves in our country. We are blessed. So we shouldn't let religion deceive us. Actually, from what I've known in religion, these pastors, they are deceiving a lot of people. They are deceiving a lot of people. So we should just go on and live our life.
Your department, what role does your department have now, in trying to correct?
Yes. It actually corrects the problem. I think that's where we as a student comes in. Okay. We have been enlightened.
Yes.
I think it's high time we go out to the world and tell the truth. We go out to the world, we write books, we make conference, we tell online publications and tell people that this is not what these people are telling you that it's not really what it is.
Yes.
So I think there is no problem in being any particular religion here. You are from a professional
religious
point of view, not as a Christian.
Because you are being professional.
Yes, I'm actually trying to be professional. Okay, but there's no problem of being any particular religion if you actually know what you're doing. You shouldn't be very rigid with religion.
No accommodation at all.
Yes. So one thing about flexibility, it allows you to understand somebody. So there should be a part in you that can accommodate others.
Yes.
So your religion you shouldn't be very
open-minded.
To
the views of other people.
Yeah, so that's the problem. So we are too rigid in our religious life. So it makes a lot of things to be happening. The department actually help open our eyes.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think with this, anybody will have a very good insight of what your course is all about.
God bless you.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
God bless you.
All right.
Okay, well done.